So Honor's back at it again, this time with the Magic V5, and yeah, they're clearly on a mission to make foldables as thin and light as possible. At this rate, the next one might just be a hologram, but seriously, the V5 is launching on July 2nd in Shenzhen, and the teaser campaign has already kicked off. Now, even though the phone hasn't been fully revealed yet, it did show up in a recent AI technology meet in China, wrapped in one of those confidentiality cases. But even with that disguise, you could see how crazy slim this thing is. Like, it's supposedly under 8.93 millimeter thick, which is basically the same as a 1 UN coin. And the weight? Less than 219 grams. For a large foldable, that's wild. They're clearly trying to win the thinnest and lightest crown in the foldable category. And then there's the design. The teaser shows off a gold version of the phone with flat metal edges and this big circular camera bump on the back. It definitely looks premium. Honor always flexes a bit when it comes to build quality, and the Magic V5 is no different. But here's where it gets really interesting. This thing isn't just about looks. Honor is also loading it with new AI features. We're talking about a personal knowledge base, multi-agent AI coordination, and seamless device-to-device connectivity. Basically, it's trying to act more like a PC than a phone. Imagine switching from tablet mode to laptop-style productivity on the fly. That's what they're aiming for. As for the actual hardware, based on leaks, the Magic V5 is expected to have a 7.95-inch 2K plus LTPO inner display and a 6.45-inch outer screen for when it's folded. Powering all of that is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, along with a massive 6100 milliamp hour battery. That's apparently the biggest battery ever in a foldable. And it's paired with 80 watt wired and wireless charging, so no complaints on power. Camera-wise, you're looking at a 200 megapixel main sensor. There's also a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and get this, Beidou satellite messaging support. That's right, foldables are now doing emergency satellite text too. Color-wise, you'll get a few options: velvet black, warm white, dawn gold, and one called Silk Road Dan Huang, which honestly sounds like a limited edition scroll, but probably looks gorgeous. And it's not just the Magic V5. Honor's also dropping some AI first devices alongside it, including the Magic Pad 3 tablet on July 2nd. So yeah, clear your calendars because this launch might actually live up to the hype. Until then, peace.